Welcome to Factory Process Reality, where advanced robotics, sensors, and industrial automation keep Pepsi production running around the clock. From purified water to final packaging, every stage inside this smart factory is controlled with industrial...
Production starts with treated water, because beverage consistency depends on mineral balance, purity, and tightly monitored filtration standards.
Modern facilities use activated carbon filters, reverse osmosis systems, and ultraviolet sterilization.
Laboratory technicians continuously analyze water chemistry to ensure every production batch meets strict beverage manufacturing specifications.
Refined sweeteners are transferred through sealed systems designed to reduce contamination and maintain accurate ingredient dosing.
Inside mixing tanks, sweeteners, flavor concentrates, and treated water combine under computer-controlled blending conditions.
Flow control systems measure ingredients with remarkable precision to maintain flavor consistency across millions of beverages.
Central control software monitors temperatures, pressures, and mixing ratios in real time throughout the entire factory. The beverage is cooled before carbonation because colder liquids absorb carbon dioxide more efficiently during production.
Carbon dioxide is infused under pressure to create the signature carbonation associated with modern soft drinks.
Stabilization tanks help maintain carbonation levels before the drink enters high-speed filling systems.
Beverage cans begin as lightweight aluminum sheets formed into containers through high-speed industrial pressing equipment. Before filling, cans pass through automated washing systems designed to remove particles and manufacturing residue. Rotary fillers operate at extraordinary speed while maintaining precise fill levels across the entire production line. Foam control systems reduce liquid loss and help ensure accurate filling during high-speed operations.
Precision robotics place and align lids before cans move into the sealing stage. Double seam technology creates airtight seals designed to preserve carbonation and protect product quality. Inspection systems automatically reject damaged or improperly sealed cans before packaging continues.
Laser printers add traceability information that helps manufacturers track every production batch through distribution.
High-speed cameras analyze packaging quality far faster than manual inspection methods. Conveyor networks coordinate product flow between filling, inspection, and packaging stations with minimal interruption.
Packaging equipment organizes cans into retail-ready formats for supermarkets, vending systems, and warehouses.
Heated shrink tunnels tightly secure grouped cans for transport and retail handling. Robotic palletizers arrange finished products into stable shipping stacks with remarkable consistency.
Stretch wrapping helps stabilize pallets during transportation across regional distribution networks. Driverless warehouse vehicles move finished products efficiently through automated storage facilities. Environmental monitoring systems help maintain stable storage conditions before products are shipped worldwide. Finished products leave the facility through highly coordinated loading systems built for large-scale beverage distribution. Many factories also produce plastic bottles using blow molding systems that shape heated PET preforms. Newly formed bottles cool rapidly before entering filling and labeling operations. Automated rinsing systems prepare bottles for filling while maintaining hygienic production standards. Rotary bottle fillers maintain speed and accuracy while handling carbonated beverages under controlled pressure. Precision capping systems apply consistent torque to help protect carbonation during transportation.
Automated labeling machines position branding accurately, even at extremely high production speeds.
Heat tunnels shape sleeve labels around bottles to create a clean and durable package finish.
Real-time analytics help engineers monitor efficiency, downtime, and equipment performance throughout production.
Predictive maintenance systems analyze machine behavior to reduce unexpected production interruptions.
Skilled technicians perform scheduled maintenance to keep automated production systems operating safely and efficiently.
Some facilities recover excess heat energy to improve operational efficiency and reduce industrial waste. Some facilities recover excess heat energy to improve operational efficiency and reduce industrial waste. Water treatment systems help facilities recycle process water while meeting environmental compliance standards. Compressed air systems power valves, actuators, and automated equipment across the production floor.
Conveyor timing systems coordinate product movement to prevent collisions and maintain continuous throughput.
Strict safety procedures help protect employees working alongside high-speed industrial machinery.
Clean-in-place systems sanitize production equipment without requiring full disassembly between operating cycles.
Stainless steel is widely used in beverage production because it resists corrosion and supports hygienic processing.
Automated valves control ingredient flow and maintain stable process conditions throughout the factory.
Refrigeration systems help maintain temperatures required for carbonation and product stability. Ingredient pipelines transport beverage syrup through carefully controlled production zones. Digital inventory systems help manufacturers manage ingredient storage and production scheduling efficiently. Industrial pumps maintain continuous liquid flow through large-scale beverage manufacturing systems. Acoustic engineering helps reduce excessive noise levels in high-speed manufacturing environments. Advanced forecasting software helps factories balance production output with changing consumer demand.
Industrial Internet systems connect machines and sensors to centralized monitoring platforms.
Automated shutdown systems are designed to stop equipment quickly during abnormal operating conditions. Checkweighers verify package consistency before products continue into final distribution stages.
Barcode systems help track products efficiently across warehouses, trucks, and retail supply chains. Smart warehouse software coordinates robotic movement to optimize storage and shipping operations.
Distribution fleets transport finished beverages from factories to stores, restaurants, and vending systems worldwide.
Real-time monitoring helps technicians respond quickly to equipment changes and production fluctuations. Traceability systems document ingredient movement from storage tanks to finished products.
Many large beverage facilities operate continuously through day and night production schedules. Engineered conveyor curves help products maintain speed while changing direction safely. Large factories depend on stable electrical infrastructure to support.
Look at the performance metrics here. We have a bottleneck forming at Station 4. And
The digital twin suggests rerouting the blue line during peak hours.
Sustainability tracking helps facilities monitor energy use, water efficiency, and operational performance.
Bulk ingredient deliveries are carefully transferred into secure storage systems before processing begins.
Modern beverage facilities combine manufacturing, warehousing, and logistics operations within enormous industrial campuses. Even highly automated factories still depend on trained technicians, engineers, and quality specialists. Quality teams evaluate beverage consistency to help maintain recognizable taste across global production facilities. Smart factories rely on industrial data systems to coordinate production equipment and process monitoring. Modern automation allows beverage factories to produce dramatically higher volumes than earlier manufacturing systems.
Production facilities handle multiple package sizes and formats simultaneously using synchronized equipment lines.
Automated cleaning systems help maintain hygiene standards across large manufacturing environments.
Beverage companies regularly upgrade facilities to support higher efficiency and evolving consumer demand.
Large beverage networks depend on coordinated supply chains, connecting factories, warehouses, and retailers globally. Final inspections verify packaging integrity and production quality before products leave the factory.
After packaging, millions of beverages move through distribution systems designed for nonstop global demand.
Every can represents a combination of industrial engineering, automation, and large-scale manufacturing precision. Smart factories continue evolving with better analytics, robotics, and efficiency-focused manufacturing technologies.
You've just seen how Pepsi is made inside today's smartest factories.